to give you a tour of our facility out here at our Garmin headquarters, and we're in Cochrane, Alberta.
Hi, welcome. So here at Garmin Canada, we focus particularly on research and development for products that are in the fitness and the outdoor space. We also deliver high-value technologies into a wide spectrum of Garmin products, and some of those technologies include wireless connectivity and optical biosensing. Now, as an engineering-focused site, we don't warehouse product here, we don't sell product from here, but instead we really focus on the product development cycle, starting from an idea. What's that new product that we want to create and put out there for our customers? How are we going to design it? How are we going to fit all the pieces together? How are we going to build that first prototype to prove that we can actually do it? And then once we have that prototype, how do we take it through to our factory to produce it at scale and eventually get that product out on the store shelves? So one of the things that I find most rewarding about working at Garmin is actually seeing the product that you and your team worked on sitting out there on the store shelf. One of the cool things that often happens at races is as you cross kilometer markers, you can hear that very distinctive Garmin watch alert tone as the runners are going by. Upstairs, we often come together as a multidisciplinary engineering team in order to solve the hard problems that we need to in order to bring new compelling features to our customers. So one example of a problem we might work on in a meeting like this is how do we use optical biosensing in Garmin's wearables?
This little optical heart rate sensor on the back of Garmin watches silently measures biometrics all day long, and it gives our users invaluable information about their health, wellness, and fitness. And we developed this core technology right here in Garmin Cochrane at our offices here. It works by using a light sensor to measure the blood flow that's underneath the sensor, and it translates that into heart rate. It's a very challenging problem to solve. We collaborate with hardware engineers, mechanical engineers, and software engineers, and they're innovating and solving these technical challenges every day. It's important for us to give our users the best experience that they can have with the sensor, and that makes it challenging, but it makes it rewarding as well.
Once we have a handle on the design that we're trying to achieve, we can come out of the meeting room and into our workspaces and get into the detailed work. We can't do our work alone, and so we absolutely work with the other engineering disciplines at our site. And after this, we're going to go learn a little bit more about electrical and mechanical engineering as well. This is Kristen, and she is one of our mechanical engineers here at Garmin.
Hi, so the mechanical team delivers superior mechanical solutions for Garmin products. This includes things such as product housings and how all the stuff inside a product fits together. We use many different types of rapid in-house prototyping, such as CNC machining and 3D printing, and this helps us to iterate our build test cycles. We also are able to test our prototypes under extreme environmental conditions to make sure that the product will either meet or exceed the user's expectations.
Daniel, and he's one of our electrical engineers here at Garmin.
Hi, so I work quite closely with a lot of our counterparts in Taiwan, which is where we get a lot of our products manufactured. And so they'll send us initial prototypes, and we'll do a lot of initial development here. And then after we do some modifications, we can do a lot of testing with our RF chamber. And so this testing allows us to meet regulatory compliance limits, but also do a lot of performance testing. And this testing would normally cost about $2,000 a day if we were to do it in an outside house. So this really helps us do a lot of internal development really quickly.
And this is Lisa from our product performance team here at Garmin.
Not only is it critical that Garmin products have really compelling features, but it's also important that they work every day for everyone who uses the Garmin products. We bring athletes from around our community into our Garmin office to have them help us assess the performance of our devices, to make sure that these things work from the start line to the finish line on everybody's big day.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of our office today and learning a little bit about what we do here at Garmin.